Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please now press that red button. So in this video I want to prepare lemongrass juice. Okay, so this is my lemongrass. So I'm going to cut it with my scissors. So it's okay like this. This is lemongrass. So as you see, this is the lemongrass. It's very good. If you have it in your compound, once in a while blend it and drink it. It's good for body pain, cancer, high blood pressure, weight loss. Okay, so I'm going to, if you are pregnant, don't take this lemongrass juice. Okay, it's not good for pregnant woman. Okay, so I want to wash it and blend it. Because of my blender, that is why I'm cutting it like this. So I want to add some of our guava leaf to this. So we have our guava leaf here. This is guava leaf. It's good for weight loss and malaria, diarrhea. So like this. I want to wash it. This is drinking water. This is my civic clothes. So okay, this is our lemongrass and guava leaf juice. So beautiful people, this is lemongrass and guava leaf. Okay, this is medicine herb. Okay, body pain, high blood pressure, weight loss, eyes. If you have problem for if you have problem of eyes, so take it. And if you are pregnant, please don't take this. Help me to share my video with your friend and family, and see you on my next video. So we are going to take our medicine, our herbs. It's not that we are sick, but once in a while, please try and take this. Okay, it's good for our health. So this is my own. It's not bitter. Okay, so this is for my Emanuela and Philip. They are playing, so I'm going to give them. Philip, come and take your tea. So my husband is going to take tea. Yeah.
So beautiful people, as you can see, my wife has taken her own, so I will take my own. Emanuela, Philip, come and take our book. Come. Beautiful people, this is very good. Lemongrass and guava leaf. Okay. Yeah, take your own. Lemongrass and guava leaf, good for sight, vision, antioxidants. Okay, those, if you're having like all this rheumatism, pain, body pain, take this. So I want to take mine. This is not bitter. There's no bitter leaf here. This is just natural. This is very nice. Okay, Philip, come before Emanuela will take your own. Come. Come, oh. See, Emanuela will take your own. Oh. Yeah, sit down. Agbo. Yeah, take it. After taking it, go and play. Okay? So, beautiful people, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not done so. Okay? And most importantly, turn up the notification bell to all, so that whenever we post a video like this, you'll be first to be notified. In our channels, we have other videos, different meals. These are just herbs. These days, you need to be healthy, okay, to face the challenges in life. We are not sick. We are just taking it for, as they say, prevention is better than cure. Okay, Philip, have you finished yours? All right, subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.